¿Qué tal? Wagwan? ¿Qué pasa, mi amigas? Today is día. We are going to straighten mi pelo, girl. I'm just trying to learn Spanish, so today I started deciding I would teach myself in whatever way. Excuse me, y'all. I'm tired. I've been watching Love Island. Like, I am just going through a lot. I'm taking off of work to do YouTube full time. Like, come on, like, girl. So I know you didn't come for that. But today we're going to straighten our hair with Wavytalk. And this is exciting because in my last couple of videos, I think about 2-3 months ago, I did a review on the tymo straightener. I had bought that myself. But after I bought the tymo, I was like, dang, I wish I would have got the Wavytalk because the steam effect. Like, I thought that was really cool. And I think that that's gonna add more moisture, be a little bit healthier and safer for our hair texture. So I was like, zam. But God blessed me with the opportunity to collaborate with Wavytalk, as you can see. So we're going to use this. This is a Steamline Pro straightening brush, straightening comb. It has steam hydration, which is good for holding moisture because that's what our hair needs for a good silk press. And it has 4 temperature settings. Now, it's my first time opening it, so I have no idea how to really work it. But we just gonna get into it. And if you guys like this video, make sure you press the thumbs up button so it can reach the algorithm. And if you like me, girl, subscribe, join the family, because we building over here and we are loving on each other over here as well, y'all. And on a serious note, ooh, it looks cute. I don't know if y'all like editing for real, like, you know, good edits, clean edits, but your girl right now, she's tired of doing clean edits and some of y'all ain't watching. So, oh, this is so cute. Don't you love new stuff? When you open new stuff, it just be like, it's just real cute. Hold on, let's unbox together. So, it's like a nice quality box. And then you open here. Oh my God, so cute. Like, it has a little tag, like a little message. This is cute. And they ran out of pink, unfortunately, so I did get a blue one. I love satin scrunchies, so they gifted us a satin scrunchie. It's pretty jumbo, and it's actually a good quality one. Okay, Wavytalk. And we have some sectioning clips, which is really nice. I believe this is $90. So we will see if it's worth it. The tymo was around $50. And to be honest about my tymo results, like, I really did like my results. I just felt like, oh, okay, hold on 1 second. Backtrack. It comes with this water applicator to apply the water into the steam. We have a heat styling glove. Okay. So real quick, in comparison to the tymo, because that's kind of what I want to base the video off of, I did enjoy my tymo results. I feel like I got a fluffy blowout type of situation. I did wanted it a little bit straighter, but I'm okay with it because at the end of the day, this is our natural hair. Like, acceptance is key. Look, okay? And one thing about it, I knew that my hair was most likely going to revert because of how fluffy it was. So I think that's a good sign for me as a natural hair enthusiast type of person. I am severely afraid of heat damage because I've been there before, and I know that for me, the only way to get rid of it is to cut it. And I've been on a very long journey with my hair. Although it's not down to my booty, it is bra strap waist length a little bit. Not waist, but bra strap. So that was a lot of work. That took about 8 years. So, yeah. Let's get started for real. I'm going to spray some heat protectants on my hair. I did a Fenty hair heat protectant before I blow dried, but I just want to go in and ensure some more. We're going to do very little of a lot of these. This one you're supposed to do when your hair is wet. Yeah, we might not do this because it probably won't activate properly. This one is also when your hair is wet. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't do too much because last time I did a lot. I'm gonna do a small pump of this throughout my whole head, and then I'm gonna go in with this as well. This is for strengthening your hair strands. Keratin is really good for like protein type of thing. Yeah, this is a process where we learn as we go. I've watched many videos, but I just feel like For some reason, I'm not getting it down pat, so I have to keep practicing in order to figure it out. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna work on one side first and then go into the other. Oh, that Fenty hair just smells so good. It smells so good. Oh, my hair, I love it. I love a little fluffy braid out blowout. Like, it's so cute. This is how I styled my I'm gonna just shut up. Let me get into it. Better like, huh? Okay. It's something about just having like natural hair, and you know you've worked so hard for it, and then like you just washed it, you deep conditioned it, like you cared for it. Like that feeling of just being proud of the way your hair is like looking is just unmatched. Like, I'm very proud of the care of the hair that God has given me. Like, I'm just grateful that he's given me, yes, amen, because it's so like, it's soft. Like, it feels dry, but I feel like this is good enough for a silk press. Like, I don't know, like, it's soft and it doesn't feel dry, like crunchy dry. Like, I've had most of my blow dries are very crunchy dry. Like, when I installed my mini twists, I had trimmed my hair, so although it may not look like it, I did though. But it feels better. Like, I don't know, I could just tell. So that's nice. So now I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna straighten this side, and then we'll get all into the good stuff. I've never used steam for my hair, so I'm nervous, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Y'all done seen the reviews. If it don't work, that's crazy. All right. I'm nervous. You can only use this for 30 minutes. I hate heat, bro. It's so traumatizing for me. Because especially this section, this is the loosest part of my hair. So I definitely am like very nervous. Okay, we just gotta go for it. It looks so good. It looks so good. Stop. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, just keep going. You gotta keep going. Hey, gotta keep going. Oh my God, it's so cute. Wow. Oh my gosh. Do your hair really be that long? Girl, what? Okay, sorry. We gotta move quicker. We started at 1:30, so let's see. Let's see. So when I grab these big old sections, I just split it into two. Getting the back of your head is like the hardest for me because I don't know how to really do that for real. If I go like this, is that bad? I love it. I love this damn thing. Oh my gosh. My hair feels so good. That's the crazy part. Every day, every night, you stay on my mind. Every day, every night, you stay on my mind. Every day, every night. Kind of like my camera's memory card went out, pero like loco, pero Girl, let me stop. I'm really feeling like Spanish, like Dominicana, Puerto Rican. Like, girl, what is this? My family from Belize, girl. Like, what? This is still black girl here. Don't get it twisted. But like, real cute. Okay. I love the results of this. This is a fluffy press, but this is more straight and it feels like more soft. The only problem I'm struggling with is my ends, and I feel like I don't know how to get rid of that other than to cut it, because the ends is just crunchy, girl. Like, it's crunchy real bad, and I don't know what to do with it. But like we gonna figure something out as I get better. So, that Fenty hair heat protectant smells so freaking good. Y'all, look at this before and after. Don't play. Girl, look how long it is.
Period. I know that's right.
I feel like Moana. Make way. What? Well, it's just that I do know how I could do it. I should do it because that's what make it grow. But like, better like what?
It looks cute.
Girl, what? Like, I just don't know how. Like, my hair is pretty long sometimes, but this is like the longest I feel like it's been. Maybe I don't know. But like, what? But like, I didn't know it grew like that.
Out of oils.
I don't even know what I be doing to my hair.
Then you got it cut too.
Right. It's in. Like, but like, he gonna cut it again because he gonna see these ends and he gonna be like, but like, you can't do it. Like, but like, All right, y'all, this is the final look. Better like, muy bonita. La bella. Okay, it's looking really cute. I told my best friend I'm like really overdoing the silk or trying to achieve that, because this is part of me embracing the texture in my hair. It just looks like a blowout, like a better blow dry. But honestly, guys, like, my hair feels really good. It's like really soft. I did trim my hair. I didn't think that I was gonna do that, but it's better to do that so that, you know, the split ends do not travel up. So whenever you get a chance to do that. But I didn't realize my hair was this long. I never wear my hair out. I be forgetting what it looked like under there, under them wigs. But I do my best to like take care of it as much as I can. But you know, with adult life is different, y'all. So yeah, my overall rating of Wavytalk, I love it. I probably do prefer it over the tymo. I still love the tymo, but whenever this ain't working, this is always gonna be my first choice. I'm sorry, tymo, but Wavytalk really did that for me. I feel like the steam, it definitely did do something different to my hair. I don't know necessarily what, but my hair is not as crunchy as it was in the last review video that I did. Especially since I trimmed off some of the crunchy parts. So I can still feel it a little bit. That means I probably should have trimmed a little higher, but I'm trying to keep a little length while retaining at the same time. But a lot of it is gone now. It's not like crackle, pop, snap noises going through my brush. So it's good, it's good, it's good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review, this little muy bonita result. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to join the family if you like what we do here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
The sun is shining, it's a new day.